In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two objects in Blender using the Boolean, Remesh, and Subsurf method. This technique is not only efficient, but will give your models a clean and smooth finish. Let's dive in and get started. First, you want to select the objects you intend to combine. Make sure both objects are highlighted by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each one in the viewport. This ensures you have the right objects engaged for the next steps. Now, with your attention on the object you want to serve as your base, head over to the Modifiers tab. You'll recognize it by the little wrench icon. Once you're there, click on Add Modifier, and from the drop-down menu, choose Boolean. This launches us into the magic of Boolean operations, one of the most powerful tools in Blender for combining shapes. Next, you'll need to set the Boolean operation to union. This means we're merging the volumes of the two selected objects. To specify which object you're combining with, use the eyedropper tool provided within the Boolean modifier settings. Click on this tool and then select the second object directly from your viewport. This tells Blender exactly how we're integrating these two models. Once you're sure everything's set correctly, it's time to make these changes permanent by applying the Boolean modifier. You can do this by hitting Apply in the modifier stack. This step effectively merges the objects. After it's applied successfully, you can safely delete the original second object as its purpose is now complete. At this point, with your newly merged object still selected, we're going to introduce another modifier. Add the Remesh modifier next. This tool helps us tidy up the mesh by reorganizing it, which is crucial for the model's integrity and its appearance. In the settings, make sure to set the operation to smooth, which allows for a more cohesive structure. Also, if you prefer to avoid any gaps in your geometry, it's a good idea to uncheck Remove Disconnected. Play around with the depth to fine-tune the resolution of the remesh according to your needs. Once satisfied with these settings, apply the Remesh modifier to finalize the mesh transformation. Now our object is taking on a much cleaner form. To add that polished look, we're going to utilize the Subdivision Surface modifier. This helps smooth out the rough edges even further. With careful adjustment, your model will have an elegant finish. As a finishing touch, let's right-click the object and select Shade Smooth. This option enhances the smoothness, wrapping up our process by giving your model a professional and well-rounded appearance. And there you have it. Combining, cleaning, and smoothing objects in Blender using Boolean, Remesh, and Subsurf is a valuable skill that can elevate your 3D modeling projects. Thanks for following along, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you in your future creations.